Nuts when the bass go boom, 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 boom.
You need to apply it on the part where you want to remove the hair. For example, I will take my armpit now. So you just put it here. And then you need to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, and afterwards we will see how it goes on. 10 minutes are over now. Now we are going to remove the cream and hopefully also the hair. I will try to show it to you. So I'll take this little spoon, and I've got a wet towel, and it works like this. You need to do it in some different directions, and as you can see, all the hair goes away pretty good. And when I have finished with this spoon, I'll just take the wet towel to remove the rest. And as you can see, all the hair is gone.